What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a free Steam gift card code in 2024. This is going to get you at least $100 into your Steam account. And it is super easy, guys. You just need to follow the instructions that I'm going to show you in this video. So you've got to use your mobile phone and open up the internet and go to the following website: www.wavycoupons.com. So make sure you go to the correct website. You can pause the video and copy this address if you need to. Wavy Coupons is a coupon codes website, but they also have digital game codes, and they also have gift card codes. So to save yourself scrolling through and searching for it, you can go to the search bar at the top and type in Steam gift card codes. So you're just looking for this page here. Now you can see, guys, these gift card codes are limited in number, so you will need to unlock your personal code. So this is a $100 free Steam gift card code. So as I mentioned, these are limited codes, so they are protected to prevent people from getting thousands of dollars worth of codes. So you're going to need to unlock your personal code, guys, by clicking this button. Now I've already done this, so I won't waste this code, but you're going to need to just follow the instructions that you see on the next screen and complete a couple of these simple tasks, and you're going to unlock your free Steam gift card code. You can also have a look and see what else they have to offer. But yeah, just follow through all of the instructions, guys, and that is how you can get a $100 free Steam gift card code in 2024. So enjoy, guys. Head on over to wavycoupons.com. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Very important you follow through all of the instructions in the next step once this completes. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy.